guys, I know it's been a while, but I'm in Jamaica and I'm gonna be going to Carnival 2025. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what is in my goodies bag. I'm gonna be jumping with Xodus. This is the bag that we got. So I think most people got this bag, and then some persons got a little backpack thingy. I'm gonna show you guys the backpack too. This is the backpack that some persons got. I don't know what the difference is. I know that male, I see, well, my husband got this backpack. I got this one. But I've seen women with this backpack too, so I'm guessing this depends on the type of costume that you pick out. I got the Sting costume, and I got the large backpack, which is the huge wings. And let's go through. All right, so the first things first. It's like a flyer. I don't think it means anything. A skincare product brochure, chips, more chips, let's see, this is migraine pills. I don't know what this is. Maybe something to put your phone in. It's cute. It's branded. A bar soap. This is a like a temporary tattoo. Vitamin C. Some more tattoo, or unless this is the same yeah, another set of tattoos. By the way, it's Saturday, so I'm literally recording this the same day, and I'm going to upload it the same day because tomorrow is Carnival and I want to get this video out. But yeah, I'm going to definitely be putting it on. I don't know what this is. It's not branded or anything. Just in a plain box. Oh, what is this? Like a mirror, maybe? Hope you guys can see. I wanted to record this video like in the morning time so I can get the natural lighting as I'm right next to the window. But I went out last night. Came in like 5 a.m. this morning. I went to Juve, which you guys would have seen it on my social media. Okay, so this is just like a mirror. A mirror with, I guess, a light. Okay. It's branded. So this is cute. Let's see what else. I guess a flag. Okay, so this is just like a flag or a handkerchief. Let's see. I don't know what this is. Maybe like a rag. A rag. So I do like this. This is a fan, which is pretty cool. I need to charge it. So you turn it on, and then you just put it around your neck. So tomorrow when we're walking on the road, hot and sticky and sweaty, we have this fan right there. You know, so this is pretty cool. I'm gonna make sure I get it charged. So it has different levels too. Came with a charging port. Another thing is this cup. I believe this is the cup, maybe. Let's see. Yes, it is the cup. I'm going to be washing this out. Put my alcohol in it tomorrow. And there I have it. Xodus Campari cup. I'll be sipping on the road. I'm a little excited. I'm not gonna lie. They gave me Tampax. So I guess maybe like this is a female bag. I guess so it has different things than what the male bag has. This is facial and body treatment bar. Okay, and that's it. So this is what's in my bag. I came in my bag. That's all. Let me just briefly go through what my husband got. I think probably he got most of the same thing. So he definitely got a fan. Wait, why is this nightlight in here? This definitely did not come in the bag. Fell in there. Oh yeah, he got 2 hats. I was like, how come I didn't get any hats? They got 2 hats in his. He got Lucozade, chips, ginger tea. Oh, what is? Socks. You got way more than me. Who's messaging me? You got the same bar soap for pain. You got the fun thing. You got the rag. You got toothpaste. So I guess this bag is actually a little different. I think that's it, yeah. Okay. Now you guys gonna see my actual costume, or a part of my costume. And I haven't actually looked at it yet. I just looked, well, I opened the bag to verify that I got everything that I needed to get. But as it relates to like trying it on, I haven't done so yet. So I got this thing costume, and I got a big backpack. I'm not gonna show you guys the backpack in this video, but you're gonna definitely see because I'm gonna be posting it on social media. So this is supposed to be the bra part. I hope it fits. So this is it. Ooh. That's that. I really hope it fits. I'm gonna try it on later on tonight because I don't want any surprises tomorrow when it's too late. Oh, I got a crown. I think this is a headpiece. Ooh, this is cute. Nice. And this is my hairstyle for tomorrow as well. I'll probably just make it like curl it up some more. And yeah, the headpiece actually does fit too. Which is, what do you must be on my forehead? I gotta go look at pictures and stuff because I don't know how to put on the costume. I wish they had given us like a fanny pack or a backpack, because you know, something to bring with us, because I'm gonna need yeah. Ooh, this is the panties. I need to wash this before I wear it for sure. I'm gonna be on the road looking like like this. Well, my mom see me. Well, my mom, I'm not dressing from home, so my mom not gonna see, but she's gonna see pictures. So I'm be like, what the hell are you wearing? But lady, I'm a 30-year-old woman. Actually 31. Yeah. Let's see. What else? I got a whole bunch. Oh, so I got the truck access and lunch ticket with this as well. I need to remember to put these on, or else I'm in trouble tomorrow. I think we got I don't know, what you call it, temporary tattoo. And these are probably stuff for my, like, I don't know, my legs and stuff. So yeah, I'm not going through these. So yeah, and then another bag with stuff. So I gotta figure out where to put these and all of that. But yeah, this is all I got. And in the back, the big ass, they call it backpack, which is the wing thingy. But that's about it. So you guys gonna see me tomorrow, because I'm posting this video tonight. And tomorrow, Sunday, you guys gonna see me. I'm gonna try and see if I can go live. I'm not sure, depending on my battery and then how I feel in the morning and all of that. But yeah, so that's that, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'm really trying to upload more. Forgive me, guys, for not being consistent, even though I said I was gonna be consistent. But I'm definitely gonna be showing you guys Carnival stuff, at least while I'm in Jamaica. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.